In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Drive from Gmail. Welcome back, and thanks for joining me today. We're focusing on a simple yet essential task that makes managing your digital life smoother. Connecting Gmail to Google Drive facilitates seamless access to all your documents, spreadsheets, and files directly from your email, and it's a feature that can significantly enhance your productivity. First, let's begin by opening your Gmail account. If you're not signed in yet, go to the Gmail website and enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged into your Gmail, you'll notice a panel of icons along the top right corner of your screen. These icons are part of the Google Apps menu, and it's your gateway to several Google services. Among these icons, you'll notice a grid of 9 small dots. This is the Apps icon. Click on it to expand the list of available services. Upon clicking the Apps icon, a drop-down menu will appear, revealing various applications that Google offers. Here, look for the triangle-shaped Google Drive icon. It's usually among the top few options, easily accessible for frequent use. Once you find it, give it a click. This action will redirect you directly to your Google Drive page without needing to open a new tab. Now that you are in Google Drive, you have access to all your files stored in the cloud. From this Drive interface, managing your documents, creating new files, and organizing your folders becomes a breeze. It's important to remember that being connected in this manner also means that any changes you make in files, like docs or sheets, are automatically saved in your Drive, which you can conveniently access from any device where you're signed in. One of the benefits of having quick access to Google Drive from Gmail is the ability to easily attach files from your Drive directly to your emails. When composing a new email, you will notice an icon resembling the Drive logo in the toolbar below the subject line. By clicking on this icon, you can effortlessly browse your Drive files and insert them into your email, saving you from the hassle of downloading, then reattaching them. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly navigate between Gmail and Google Drive, streamlining your workflow and ensuring that you have immediate access to all your important files. I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. Integrating these platforms into your daily routine can save you time and improve your efficiency. Thank you for tuning in today, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more tech tips and guides on maximizing your digital tools. See you in the next video.